Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this very easy kind of fall with a pop of colour eye look, but it's under 5 minutes. And I've not used any lashes, and I always say this, that if you are a lash person, you're more than welcome to put them on, but I just want to kind of give the option to people, if that makes sense. As you know, in my recent videos that I do looks with and without lashes, I just wanted to mention I'm using this new product. It's actually the Sleek brow product, and I'm not sure how I was feeling about it, but to be honest with you, looking at it on camera, it does actually look really good. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started. The palette I'm going to be using is the Modern Renaissance, and I'm using literally 3 colours. I'll be naming the colours as I'm going along. I'm picking up my base shadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm picking up Burnt Orange, and I'm just putting that in the higher part of my eye. This is a really nice, soft, subtle colour, and I just feel like it's a really good transition shade. I wasn't too keen on warm colours and fall kind of colours first, but you know, when you just gradually kind of start liking them, that's what I can do. And then again, just make that V, just like that, and then take it under the eye. I always have to look up because I feel like I just put the shadow in my eye. I'm going to drag it up a bit more, just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to pick up my Essential Crease brush, and I'm picking up the colour Real Girl, which is a darker kind of orange colour. And I'm just going to place it at the bottom of that colour. At the moment we're just packing it on. You can blend, but I just like packing it on first. Then I'm picking up the colour Tempera, which is a really nice kind of whitey, goldy kind of colour, and I'm just going to place that on my lid. I'm not cutting no crease or anything like that, or halo. It's just going to literally where there's no eyeshadow. Kind of blend it with my fingers and going along. Just blend it with that small brush. Next thing that I'm going to be doing is putting on mascara, and it's the one that I normally use. And I'm not putting it on my bottom lashes. Oh, sorry, I did. I think I wasn't going to, but I changed my mind. Guys, I've actually kind of like zoomed in less, and I'm kind of liking it. Let me know if you like this camera position. I don't know why, I just feel like I'm kind of getting the cold because I've had the sniffles, but I'm not. I haven't had it, like I've had the sniffles for the last 2 days, but for some reason the cold's not coming on. Maybe it's just gonna drag it out. And then last but not least, I'm going to put in colour. Because this colour has been out, it is slightly dry, but all I do to warm it up is just literally draw on my hand with it, and it just warms it up. And I feel like it's so much better, especially with the application and everything. And I'm just going to put that in the waterline. Only because I wanted to kind of opposite pop colour, like I don't want to put a red in or anything like that. There we are, and that is the finished look. Let me just zoom in. My eyes are watering like this, I've just put that in, but this is the end look. and that was under 5 minutes. Not the whole video, but that look was under 5 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. As I always say, please leave your thoughts and opinions down below and I will get back to you. Also, do hit the notification bell so if any new videos come up, you are alerted straight away. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.